portable electronic devices are now permitted. For your continued safety, we do ask that you please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even if the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. As a security reminder, the forward lavatory is reserved for first-class customers. We do have one extra lavatory in the main cabin for the use of our coach class customers. We do thank you for your cooperation. Once we have reached a more comfortable cruising altitude, we will be coming through the cabin with our complimentary beverage service. In addition, cocktails, beer and wine may be purchased for $7, along with the specialty beverages available for purchase ranging in price from $3 to $8. And we also have an assortment of sweet and savory snacks ranging in price from $3 to $5. For a complete listing of all of our products, please see the Marketplace menu, which is located in the seat back pocket in front of you. U.S. Airways does accept credit cards along with cash for all onboard purchases. We do invite you now to recline your seats, sit back, relax, enjoy your flight with us.